Today we're doing a video on seat removal. I'm going to try to build a platform here. It'll maybe free up some space.
And room for the dog.
Give us some room for the pup.
So these are the seats on the floor. And Dom just pulled this thing, whatever this was. He pulled this out. And there's a bolt there, bolt there, a bolt there, a bolt there. That's gonna take out the 40%. And over here. And then the same on the other side for the one seat. Or you can leave the one seat in. We're probably gonna take everything out.
Gotta make sure it's on good.
What is that, 916?
14.
Oh.
Where's the little gun? This dumb socket. Yeah, see, because what happens is because it's outside, all the shit goes in there, right? So this thing here now, we gotta lube it up really nice, put lots of grease. See, because this one's inside, no problem. Sometimes what you have to buy, you know how it's a stud? Here, I'll show you. See that? Mm-hmm. Now your little socket, it'll bottom out there. That's what they call a little like a in between, not long and not short. The other trick is, if you use that, it goes higher and higher and higher, and then you can't take your ratchet out.
Sila.
What is it, grease?
Yeah. One of the best. That thing, high temperature, high everything.
Easy Side ceramic brake lube.
Forget about brake lube. This thing works on everything.
That one, that one, that one, that one, that one. Go to the bottom of the truck. This is where we're at now. Just have this thrown over here right now, and the back piece is going to get attached to these hinges. Okay. So now we cut these corners out over there. So when we lift it, it goes straight back. And we put 3 legs under here. This opens up to the underneath storage. And the legs are butted up right to the bin. And we screwed in these 2 4 stoppers for the door. Then we'll put something here. And now we're going to start building the back piece. So today we made this back panel and put carpet on it. We just have these stoppers for the back. That looks like right now.